I am back again with Kathy, who is a social worker and has lived with cerebral palsy for her 75 years. And she has some thoughts on when to ask for help for emotional struggles.
If you have emotional struggles, they can be very, very difficult to cope with. So you're going to want to ask for help if you're feeling a lot of anger that doesn't seem to ever go away. It kind of permeates your life. Or when you're feeling a lot of sadness or a lot of embarrassment, or you're feeling like you're just plain not a good enough person for the world. If it's overwhelming, if it's a lot, then you want to ask for help. And you first find someone who is very supportive and who will listen. If and you keep asking if you can't find that immediately, but when you do find people like that, if that doesn't seem to be enough, you might need some professional help. You also want to ask for help if you're um, ever being abused. If you're being emotionally abused, which means people are calling you names all the time, they're labeling you all the time, and you feel worse about yourself, you want to ask for help if you're being physically abused, and that means any kind of physical abuse, whether it's pinching, slapping, hitting, anything. That's not acceptable. You ask for help for that. Certainly, if you're being sexually abused, you ask for help for that. You tell. And when you're a kid, sometimes it's not seen as cool to tell anybody what's going on if you're struggling, because if you're strong, the way society defines that, you're not supposed to need any help, but you do need help with these things.